Hello kids, say with me A. A is for ant. Say with me ant. Say with me B. B is for boat. Again say with me boat. Say with me C. C is for car. Again say with me car. Say with me D. D is for duck. Again say with me duck. Say with me E. E is for eagle. Again say with me eagle. Say with me F. F is for frog. Again say with me frog. Say with me G. G is for grapes. Again say with me grapes. Say with me H. H is for horse. Again say with me horse. Say with me I. I is for ice cream. Again say with me ice cream. Say with me J. J is for jelly. Again say with me jelly. Say with me K. K is for king. Again say with me king. Say with me L. L is for lamp. Again say with me lamp. Say with me M. M is for mount. Again say with me mount. Say with me N. N is for needle. Again say with me needle. Say with me O. O is for owl. Again say with me owl. Say with me F. F is for pencil. Say with me Q. Q is for queen. Again say with me queen. Say with me R. R is for rose. Again say with me rose. Say with me S. S is for star. Again say with me star. Say with me T. T is for turtle. Again say with me turtle. Say with me U. U is for unicorn. Again say with me unicorn. Say with me V. V is for volcano. Again say with me volcano. Say with me W. W is for window. Again say with me window. Say with me X. X is for X-ray. Again say with me X-ray. Say with me Y. Y is for yum. Again say with me, yum. Say with me, G. G is for Jew. Here is tiger and lion. Now they are living in a zoo. Again say with me, zoo. Subscribe for more video. Bye bye kids.